Hello, squad. I'm back at work tomorrow, which is Monday, the 24th of August, and I'm going to find out then your timetable and the hours you're going to be in college. Sorry, it is a little bit later than we expected it to be, but I will know tomorrow when I speak to Jim as to what the timetable is. I'll post it into the top of our group here, and I'll tag you all in it as well to let you know. Again, apologies you didn't know it sooner. I know you're quite keen to get it to organise work and work experience and other bits and bobs. So, tomorrow, Monday the 24th, I will know the timetable and let you know. Right. I have also been asked to remind you of this. So, in your EE sessions last year, and I mentioned it as well at the end of the year, the English and Maths initial assessments and diagnostic tests need to be completed by you before you actually come onto the second year. It's essential for all students in further education to demonstrate your maths and English abilities. So you need to fill in the initial assessments for English and Maths and the diagnostic tests for English and Maths on the BKSB live link which I've posted. So your username will be your college number, as it states here, and your password will simply be the word password. This will give you access to these 4 elements here you need to complete. You will see that I have also posted a few things on our Instagram feed and on Facebook, an outline of what's going to happen and in what order in my lessons this year. You're going to start off with critical thinking and film journalism, and then we're going to move on to multi-camera and documentary in the second half of the year. You're also going to have this online assignments here, working to a brief, which is only for one outcome. It's going to be an online assignment, a bit of independent e-learning for you to complete Unit 5 working to a brief. Now you've done the rest of working to a brief in the webisodes project with your pre-production and your webisodes and the Bible campaign and the evaluation. That is outcomes 2, 3 and 4 of working to a brief. So rather than make you redo a unit or repeat yourself, I simply mapped your webisodes work across to working to a brief. However, the LO1, understanding how to work to a brief, is a separate assignment we haven't yet covered, and it's a second year unit anyway, working to a brief. So you're going to be completing that one bit of work for working to a brief, and therefore the entire working to a brief Unit 5 unit within the first 2 months when we return. That will be an online independent bit of e-learning which I'm going to be going over with you in class. You're also going to be doing, as you can see here, critical thinking and film journalism with me in lectures. Then in the new year, documentary and multi-camera, and then there'll be a workshop in June from the end of the year where you're going to be mopping things up and lining up that apprenticeship or university placement, whatever it is you want next. Those of you that are interested in university, please have a read of this link I posted at the top of our group here, the best universities for media and film. Really interesting reading and really reputable as well, I find, The Guardian. So have a little read of that as well if you're looking into seeing what you're going to be doing come 10 months from now when you're going to be off to university or off into the workplace or an apprenticeship. There you go. Any questions, please contact me. I'm going to be in college tomorrow. I'm also available on social media, as always, all the time. So contact me if you need anything at all.